This is After Effects, and this is After Effects roto brush tool, and I am going to use roto brush on this hand and see how it goes.
Later.
Okay, I forgot to do his nails. Here you can clearly see how messed up this is. I mean, you could fix it, but you'll have to go frame by frame. It's a super useful tool, which makes sense considering After Effects being the best editing software out there. But what if you can do it with one click? Yes, only one click. Using Blurr's new AI masking tool, which is similar to After Effects but easier. In this video guys, I'm gonna be sharing my experience using this tool and show you how I made this 3D looking effect. By the way guys, you can redeem my code Craig to get a free membership. Oh wait, I've already claimed it. I'm gonna start obviously by creating a new project and then import my clip. Select your clip by simply clicking on it, and then again click on this little icon over here to make a copy of the clip. Select the top clip, then click on the cutout option, and here you have the brush, the rubber, and the main, and by clicking on the main button it will automatically quickly, accurately, and perfectly highlight your character. I mean, look at this. I might get an erection. Now using the brush tool, I'm gonna delete everything and keep only the hands. Don't mind my mistakes, it was literally my first time using this tool. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm gonna hit backward for it to start tracking the hand and cut it out. Now that it's done, I'm gonna create some solid layers and animate them to give it that 3D look.
Ayo, Defo, this a vibe.
One call for the night, let me fuck to two bad bitches.
Yeah, one cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up. Your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up. Your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? The party got like 20 on my wristwatch. Shawty wanna fuck me cause she heard I got a big cock. I just got some booth and a coupe with a big drop. I know you see the look, and your girl got the head game. Then we fuck, she ain't leaving till my bed made. I know that I'm an asshole, bitches always lurking and they only want to catch.
This was literally my first attempt, so there are a few mistakes that I'll be fixing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider dropping a like on the video. Thank you and see you on the next one.
Goodbye.